Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but normally is Jordi, and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. So today I'm going to make another Korean dish, which is Korean pepper paste, gochujang. The reason I'm making gochujang is that I really miss tteokbokki, like stir-fried rice cake. It's really popular Korean street food. To make tteokbokki, I need gochujang. So gochujang is like the must food ingredient when you make tteokbokki. So today I'm going to make gochujang using the local ingredients that you can easily get here in India. So let's see how it turns out. This is my first time making gochujang in my life. Oh, it's very exciting. Once you make gochujang, you can use it to many other Korean dishes. For example, to make tteokbokki, you need gochujang, and bibimbap, you need the gochujang sauce. And also, when you make some soup, like jjigae, you also need gochujang sometimes. I'm very excited, and let's get started. Alright, so the ingredients are quite simple. You need, of course, the chili powder, but this time I'm not going to use this Indian chili powder. Last time I used this one to make kimchi and then it turns out super spicy.
Oh my god.
Spicy!
Give me water.
So I'm not gonna use those. This time I'm gonna try a little bit different. I bought this like dry chili because I heard that the dry chili is kind of like mild taste. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grind these dry chili and try to make the chili powder, and then I'm gonna use that to make gochujang. And then you need salt, sugar, and then you need the miso paste, like dark miso paste. This one you can get it in a like supermarket imported food section. I had it and then I use it to make the miso soup, and then I have some leftover, so I'm gonna use this one. It's super dark color right now. It's been fermented for so long, so the color is almost like black. So I think it's good to use it to make gochujang. I'm not sure if it's rotten or something, but we only have this one at home. So I'm gonna use this anyway. And then sesame oil, and then you need a rice vinegar, but here I have this coconut vinegar at home. I'm gonna just use this and see how it turns out. And then you need water. Oh my god, when am I gonna finish? It's a lot of work. Look at this! I don't want! Ah! Oh wait. Oh wait. This was too big. I hope my hands are okay after this, because last time when I made kimchi, my hands were on fire when I finished making it, and now I'm touching a lot of chili, so I'm not sure. I need 4 tablespoons of chili powder, so I think this is quite enough. I used half of the packet here, so let's see. Good, nice. Oh, nice. It smells not that spicy, it's kind of mild. But I think I need to do a bit more. I decided to put some more chili because we can use the chili powder to make other dishes. So let's make enough amount just in case. Ooh, nice, looking good. This smells really nice. Nice. I think it's ready. Yay! Okay, so the ingredients are all ready. make the gochujang. Look at this. Very dark. I think it's because we use like dark color miso. Maybe that's why. Wow, look at this. Yes, very smooth.
Smooth like butter.
Finally, I got the texture that I wanted. Wow, nice. Look at this. This is quite a small amount. I should have made a bit more, but it looks good. Okay, now let's give it a try. Okay. The color is very dark. I mean, normally when you buy a Korean pepper paste, it's quite red. But I think it's because of the miso I use, it's quite dark. So maybe that's why the color is like this, but... Oh! Oh! I think I made it! Nice! To be honest, I taste more of the miso flavor than the original, but this one is quite nice. It's not that spicy. I mean, at the end, you still feel the spicy kick at the end, but it's not super spicy. Wow, I think it was a good decision to grind the dry chili and make gochujang with that. Nice! Good, 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 good. Very good. See, I keep eating this. And I can't wait to make the tteokbokki with this one. I'm gonna stop eating this. So, Jordi,
Yeah.
you're going to taste gochujang.
I tried gochujang before.
No, I made it.
Okay. Yeah. That's the thing you were making this.
Yes.
This. Okay. I'm ready. Yeah. What? Wish. That's very dark. Gochujang is usually more red. What happened here?
I know, but I don't know, but it tastes fine. I tried it.
Okay. So you want me to try like this? Usually you mix
That's
this
a
with
lot.
rice or
That's
something.
a lot. Just
No,
give
just
it
a spoon.
Yeah, no, not the whole spoon, but just a little bit with
It
your
smells
finger.
good. Ah, like okay, like tasting.
Yeah,
Just sampling.
tasting. Yeah.
So no mixing with rice or anything.
Just taste now, and later I will deliver the rice to you.
No? Smells good. It smells quite a lot like doenjang,
Right?
soybean paste. Maybe you put a lot of that, or does it contain?
Probably I put less.
Okay, let's try.
고춧가루.
Moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Not bad. It has a nice kick at the end,
Right?
but it's tasty. It's okay by itself. It's a bit too spicy, of course, but I think it's gonna be very nice mixed with rice or
I know.
maybe in a broth or in a soup or something. I don't want to eat it like this because this is not how you are supposed to eat this, right?
Okay, wait.
It's good.
Let me give you a rice.
A rice? A rice of salary. Yes, that's what
Let
I
me
want.
give you a rice.
A rice. A plate of. Oh wow! This is the smallest plate of rice I ate in my life.
Okay, now try to mix a little bit.
Not this much.
It's not super spicy, so it should be fine.
Can I have a different spoon? Because this one has a lot of this. Oh, it's so cute. Wow, but this is very dark.
I know. It's
I know, but see, once you spread it, it goes a bit kind of red. So no veggies or anything to mix with, no?
I don't know. I have no idea how it will taste.
Okay, there you go. Cheers. Oh wow, nice. Wow, it's not as spicy. It's very tasty. After a few spoons, you feel a bit burn or fire in your mouth, but it's not that, suffering spice. It's a nice spice.
Like last time, right? When I made kimchi.
No, that was a bit too much.
Yeah, he finished.
Nice. Well, I didn't finish, but I finished my dose. Ooh. Yeah, it's spicy, but it's nice. It mixed with rice and veggies.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please click like and subscribe to our channel. And if you try making this recipe, let us know how it turns out. I would like to hear from you. And hopefully I can make the tteokbokki with this gochujang next time. Alright, see you. 안녕.
Yeah, okay, next step what? Bibimbap?
We can make bibimbap, or I was thinking to make tteokbokki.
With this sauce?
Yeah.
That's how it works?
Because to make tteokbokki we need gochujang. That's why I made gochujang. To be honest.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's know. You make tteokbokki. Let's make tteokbokki. What? Now or different video?
Different video. Yeah.
Okay, so see you on the next video with tteokbokki. This was good, yeah.